It has some good features like 4 GB RAM, 64 GB, uh, 5000 milliampere battery, quantum Snapdragon octa-core processor, 16 and plus 5 megapixel rear cams, 15.7-inch FHD plus display, and you can see that it's 4 plus 64 GB, and it's a black colored phone. I'm unboxing it for the first time. Yeah, what a phone. And guys, you can see that it is having a back cover with it, and it's a good one. And we have also a good front glass protector, screen protector. It's a good one. And what we have in the box is all manuals, and the SIM ejector, and the charger, and it's a USB cable, and along with its charger. So I think it's a good one. Let's start the mobile. Wow, what a phone. It's a good phone. And I have got this from Flipkart with an offer, and its price is about 14,000. Okay. Okay then. Thanks for watching. It's a good phone. You can see that it's a really handy, and they have provided the back cover and the front glass. So thanks for watching.